This method works very well if you're working with a fabric that frays. It helps prevent you from losing so much of your material. It also works if you want to carve out a pattern from a material, just like when you use your soldering iron. This is a very good alternative if there is no electricity or you don't have money to buy your soldering iron. So what you would do is that you would get a pair of old scissors. Even though it is blunt, you get it, and then you're going to burn it on your gas cooker. I'm going to do it for you to see. You're going to burn it on your gas cooker. But I also say, if when you're burning it, you have to be careful that the rubber part of the scissors is not close to the fire. So how you would do that is that you have to reduce the flame. You have to use a low heat so that it doesn't go wild, and then you have a disaster or hazard in when you're working. So you let that heat up very well. It will turn red hot, and then you use it to cut through your fabric. You're going to see the effect. It's going to smoke like when you use your soldering iron on a fabric. Have you seen that? The result is as clean as you using your soldering iron. You just have to be very careful because it's a hot surface, the same way you're careful when you're using your soldering iron, because at this point I wasn't looking and I had hurt my finger. So you have to be careful when using this. It is a very good alternative if you need to work ASAP and then there is no electricity for you to use your soldering iron, or you don't even have a soldering iron. This is a very good alternative. You can use it to do your 3D applique. You can use it on the hem of a material, or when you're cutting your showcase material, you know the way it shreds away. So you can use this method rather, and it works very well. Thank you very much for watching.